When it comes to maintaining a comfortable living environment in your Dallas home, the quality of your windows can make a significant difference. Windows not only serve as a barrier against the elements, but they also impact your home's insulation, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Over time, old or damaged windows can lead to drafts, temperature fluctuations, and higher energy bills, making your home less comfortable. One of the most effective ways to enhance indoor comfort is through window replacement. In this article, we'll explore how replacing your windows can improve indoor comfort in Dallas homes by increasing energy efficiency, reducing noise, enhancing natural light, and more. Improved energy efficiency and temperature control. Dallas experiences extreme temperature fluctuations, with hot summers and mild winters. As a result, homeowners are constantly running their HVAC systems to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Old or inefficient windows can be a major source of energy loss. Gaps, cracks, or thin glass allow air to seep in or escape, making your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain the desired temperature. Window replacement can significantly improve energy efficiency by providing better insulation. Modern windows are designed with multiple panes of glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames to reduce heat transfer. Double or triple pane windows, for example, feature an insulating layer of air or gas between the panes, which helps keep warm air inside during winter and cool air inside during summer. This results in a more stable indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and helping to lower your energy bills. By replacing your windows with energy-efficient models, you create a more comfortable living environment that stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, all while reducing your home's energy consumption. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in Dallas, especially near busy streets or urban areas, can expose you to noise pollution from traffic, construction, or neighbors. Old windows with thin glass or damaged seals allow sound to enter your home, making it harder to find peace and quiet. Window replacement can help reduce noise by installing windows with thicker glass, multiple panes, and soundproofing features. Modern windows are designed to dampen outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Whether you're trying to relax, work from home, or get a good night's sleep, new windows can significantly reduce noise interference, improving your overall comfort. If you live in a noisy area of Dallas, replacing your windows with soundproof or noise-reducing models can make a dramatic difference in how peaceful and serene your home feels. Enhanced natural light and views. Natural light has a profound impact on the mood and ambiance of your home. It can make rooms feel more spacious, airy, and inviting. Old, outdated windows can block natural light due to poor visibility, dirt accumulation, or damaged seals, leaving your home feeling dark and dreary. Window replacement can help you take full advantage of natural light by installing larger or clearer windows, or by choosing windows with more expansive glass areas. New windows can brighten up rooms, improve the aesthetic of your interior spaces, and create a more welcoming atmosphere. Additionally, modern windows offer clearer views, enhancing the connection to the outdoors and allowing you to enjoy your Dallas landscape more fully. By upgrading your windows, you not only brighten your home but also create a more visually appealing living environment. Increased comfort with better air circulation. Another benefit of window replacement is improved air circulation. Older windows may be difficult to open and close, or they may lack the necessary features to allow for proper ventilation. Stale indoor air can contribute to discomfort, especially in rooms with poor airflow. New windows are designed with ease of use in mind. Many feature sliding, casement, or double-hung designs that allow for smooth opening and closing, enabling better airflow throughout your home. Proper ventilation helps to regulate humidity levels, prevent mold growth, and ensure that the air inside your home remains fresh and comfortable. Whether you're looking to let in a breeze during the cooler months or prevent stuffy air in the summer, replacing your windows makes it easier to achieve optimal air circulation and improve overall indoor comfort. Protection from UV rays and fading. Dallas intense sunlight can lead to fading of furniture, flooring, and artwork. The UV rays that penetrate through old, single-pane windows can damage your belongings over time, causing discoloration and deterioration. Modern windows are equipped with low-E coatings or tinted glass that help block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter. By replacing your windows, you protect your furniture and belongings from sun damage while still enjoying the benefits of natural light. This added protection ensures that your home's interior remains looking fresh and vibrant for years to come. Improved aesthetic appeal and home value. In addition to improving comfort, window replacement also enhances your home's curb appeal and overall aesthetic. New windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to choose the perfect design that complements your home's architecture. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more traditional design, new windows can add a fresh, updated look to your home's exterior. Replacing your windows also increases your home's value. Energy efficient, modern windows are a sought-after feature for potential buyers, and homes with upgraded windows tend to sell faster and at higher prices. If you plan to sell your Dallas home in the future, window replacement is a wise investment that can provide a strong return. Conclusion: window replacement is a valuable upgrade that enhances both the comfort and functionality of your Dallas home. By improving energy efficiency, reducing noise, allowing more natural light, and enhancing ventilation, new windows create a more comfortable living environment. Additionally, window replacement offers aesthetic benefits and increases your home's value, making it a smart long-term investment. If you're looking to improve your home's indoor comfort, consider replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient models. With the right windows, your Dallas home will be more comfortable, stylish, and energy efficient, allowing you to enjoy your living space to the fullest.